Right guys, let's just get straight into it. Go to settings, type in camera, and then you got record video here. So you got 720, 1080, 4K, you got three types of 4K, 24, 30 and 60. You usually want to shoot in 24 so you can get the most cinematic look, but you can go crazy and, I don't know, choose 30, or if you want to slow the footage down, 60. You also have the slow-mo mode on the iPhone, but that's not gonna give you the best quality ever. So if you want to slow down, I think, in my personal opinion, but don't take this for granted, I think you should shoot at 60 FPS and slow it down in post. That's been it for this video. This is a thing that I didn't know, and I just discovered it like couple of weeks ago, something like that, and I hope you liked it. I hope you use it. Let me know if you use it. Write me on Instagram right here, and I will see you in the next video.